Fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they.
Hey guys, what is up? So what I have here is a Star Wars Lego set. This is General Grievous buildable figures. As a lot of y'all probably don't know, I'm actually a Lego collector. I don't do too much Lego collecting here lately, but I do like to collect some of the smaller stuff because, as you know, some of the bigger Lego sets take up room, so there really is nowhere to display them once you build them. What I have here is General Grievous. This dude right here is probably one of the most interesting characters from the prequel trilogy. Really awesome character. I really wish they'd do like a origin story of him because he has a really interesting backstory. He has a very interesting story behind him. If you go look at his Wikipedia, it's really interesting. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm probably not going to video the whole entire thing, just bits and parts. Alright, so what we have here is the first bag. I think it's only one bag. No, there's more bags in here. Alright, there's the instruction manual. Alright, there's something out of a package. So we got 3 bags here, a small one and 2 big ones. Now this is going to be pretty cool right here. Well, I had to turn on some lights. It's a little dark in here. Alright guys, so this is what I've got so far. I'm going to say this is probably his body right here, and this is going up to his head. But we're starting to put on some of his armor, and alright, we need one of those pieces. And we need that piece. Alright. Here's his head. Look at that. That looks so sick. Looks pretty sick, don't it? Alright. This might be his... I don't know what this is, to really tell you the truth. I thought it was his body, and this is going up to his head. And this is where his head goes. That's what I thought anyway. But I guess it's not. It's too early to say what this is. Alright, there's that. Whenever the next page. I usually like to dump these in a big box, but I don't have one sitting around right now, so I'll just use the bags they come in. Need 4 of those. I remember when I was a kid putting these together, they would you'd have problems telling what color they were. They've actually been doing a good job at getting the colors right this time, which is cool. This right here is not going to be taking the place of my gaming videos, don't worry. Make this a series every once in a while of me putting together some of these Lego sets. But I haven't put up a gaming video in a while because I haven't really had time to really sit down and record some gameplay. So this right here definitely looks like his spine right here or something like that. This is his arms, I'm going to say. Alright. That's what it looks like so far. Alright, so here's the first piece that I just made. This is his body. Now we're starting on the second piece, which is his leg. Yeah, so far it's a pretty easy build. This isn't anything advanced. So yeah. Alright, we're making some of his leg armor now. Got his little legs, his little feet over here, and go on like so. Go on like that. Nope, put them on wrong. Alright, these things go on like that. Alright. There's that foot. I gotta say, I'm not really a big fan that they don't have like a different kind of build right here. Like I was hoping his foot would swivel right here so he can grip onto something or something like that. But the only thing that, you know, really moves on his feet are his claws, or his toes, I guess you can say, which are, I mean, it's alright, but it'd been cool if he can like, he can swivel in his middle of his foot so he can grab a hold of stuff, you know. Alright, so we're getting close to finishing his legs. I think I got 2 more pages. Yeah, these 2 pages right here, and I'll be done with his legs. This is a tall figure. Look at that. It really is cool how they come up with some of these builds. That is so cool. Alright. Stands up pretty good. Alright, now it's time to do his arms. If anyone has seen Rogue One, let me know in the comment section below. What do you think about it? Is it good? Haven't seen it yet. Probably won't see it in theaters because I would rather see it on Blu-ray when it comes out. There's the arms. They make a Jango Fett one that I'd like to get, but I don't know when I'll be able to get that one. So these are for connecting his arms together if you want to do that. Right now we're putting the rest of his armor on. I like how most of his armor is on little ball joints so he can like move them around and stuff. It's really cool. And I put it on wrong. Of course, I need to slow down and pay attention to what I'm doing. I want to put both these on wrong. Whoopsie! Wasn't paying attention. I tend to do that. Luckily, it's not like those Metal Earth model sets that I do. You wouldn't have been getting them back off if you put a piece on wrong. Alright, so I got the sabers built, which was pretty easy. Now it is time for his head. Also, I got to put his lightsabers in place. Man, this sucker looks cool. Alright, so that is the last piece. This here is about a 25-minute build, just because I had to record. Probably been faster if I didn't have to record this. Alright guys, so I had 2 pieces left over, spares, or Lego just miscounted. Here's the figure, which looks extremely nice. Really do like this figure. I probably will get the other 2 figures that I want that are in the Lego figure line, and this is really cool. I like the details on his chest piece and his face. He doesn't have the scratch in his face, but that's alright. His eyes look awesome. I like how it's not a sticker. I remember back when I did it as a kid, everything was like a sticker. They didn't print it on the piece, and you know, over time, eventually if you played with it, it would come off. But I'm not going to play with this guy. This guy right here is going to simply sit on a shelf and just look nice. He's very articulate. I do like that. He's also very sturdy. He stands up really well. His little feet keep him planted pretty well, which he does have a pretty long foot. The back of him is he has a spine running up. I like how every piece is also like on a ball joint. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it moves. It's really easy to put on there, and once it's on there, it stays pretty well. He is really tall though. I'm gonna say he's probably 11 inches maybe, but very awesome detailing on him for Lego. Alright guys, so I have the figure displayed up here in a crouching mode. I think the print that they did on his chest and his face is awesome. So if you like Lego, you've been skeptical on getting one of these figures, I think you should invest in one. They are awesome. I really do like this figure. I will be getting the Django one and probably the Kylo Ren one. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.